Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. As you can see, this is all I took out the box. This is all you'll need right here. This one is the 4-way adjustable mini oscillating sprinkler with the metal base. Yes, the other oscillating sprinkler was a metal base. This one is same thing, metal base. All right, you guys. So as usual, they come with the connectors. They come with extra quick connects on it. And it comes with the connector which you hook up to your water hose. For what I see, all of their sprinklers come with quick connectors on it. This is amazing. You get in the deal with this stuff when you get all this stuff involved. All right, you have the head and you have a little O-ring right there, so that's good. Put it right on top and twist and turn. No tools needed, you guys. Gotta love eating. Now, I've been looking for a sprinkler like this for a while. All right. Right here we have the range control. Up here we have the width control. So these control the width of the needles or the nozzles. Don't know if you can see it moving or not, but you see that? It controls the width. All right. And this here, same as the other one, which is amazing. This is your flow control. You guys, this is like the biggest thing that they're making with the sprinklers for me. I don't know, maybe for you it's something else. Maybe it's the other controls or whatnot. But for me, it's the flow control, because I want to control if let's say I'm in my front yard. My front yard is a little bit less area than my backyard, so I can control how much pressure that I want to go in and out of my sprinkler. All right, it comes with the filter for the water hose to catch dirt and all that stuff, and you can hook up another water hose. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all that in another video, me hooking up both sprinklers, and that's about it. You close this just to close off that water to come on to the other side, and let's go out there and have some fun. Also, you guys, this thing says it does 4,250 square foot of coverage, which is a little less than the other one. The other one was almost 5,000. I think it was 48 something or something like that. But this one does 4,250. But we are going to see if this can still match up to the other one. Okay, you guys, so right now I got it on its lowest pressure. One thing I could say, it goes pretty fast for going back and forth, side to side. It's going pretty fast. Let me go ahead and put on max pressure. All right, so I put it on the max pressure. Now, I forgot the square footage of my yard. I'm gonna let y'all know. I think on my lawn or one of those apps, I did a square footage estimate on there, and I think it's like, I think from my grass back here to the other side to the fence, from that fence to that fence, I think it's about, I think 3,000 square foot or something like that. I cannot remember, but I'll let y'all know. All right, so one of the features here is us keeping it to that side. So that little lip should stop it. You see that? So it's just doing that side of the fence over there. All right. Over here is our nozzle control. So we control the width of the water that's coming out, and man, that's spraying all the way on the patio. Let's put this one all the way to the side, which goes down like that. and that one's going all the way to that little patio area over there. Now let me show y'all what it's like on full action. So I'm gonna pull that all the way back down and move away because I don't want to get the camera wet. Oh, let me move my weed stop. All right, you guys, so just like in the last video, this one is doing a good amount of square footage. It's hitting the patio. Like I said, I will give y'all the estimate of the square footage before I post this so y'all know my square footage. All right, you guys, let me stop it from going there. So that's one adjustment right there, 2, 3, and this is the 4th adjustment where you control. Now if you have a little garden area, this is perfect for you. You do not have to run to your spigot. This is like the best invention ever, is this flow control. And it goes back to high speed. All right, you guys, so that's it with this Eden mini oscillating sprinkler. I like this one. Y'all know I like the oscillating sprinklers. I've been looking for something like this one for a long time, just because I like the design on it. You know, the other one is a little bit more old school, but I like this design that this is the trend right here. So other than that, if you need to know anything else about this sprinkler, please leave a comment, like the video, subscribe, hit that notification, because I have some big reviews coming. I have another Eden product and y'all not going to want to miss this. So please subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.